Hello, this is Mansha, and today on Xenia Q&A sessions with Atul, we talk about websites and their role in assisting digital marketing efforts. Hello Atul, how are you?
Hi Mancha.
Okay, so my first question for you is, what is the role of websites play in digital marketing?
For any business, Mancha, website is the front face and is usually the first interface for prospects and customers. Today, as a business, we interact with several owners, CEOs, business heads, and they typically talk about their website needing a revamp. Most often, what I feel is, they're not happy with the visual part of the website. In our terms, we really measure website performance very differently. We are completely numbers and metrics driven as an organization. So we would classify a website as bad if it is not getting us good numbers in terms of engagements or conversions. Having said that, a website should be properly planned to address all the three objectives of marketing, that is attract, engage, and convert.
Okay. So my next question for you is, what role do websites play in attracting traffic?
I believe this is where websites website merges with SEO or search engine optimization, as it is actually called popularly. If you can start ranking for keywords that matter to your customers, then you can start getting a good amount of organic traffic from the search engines. Now, if you get good traffic, your visibility goes up, and there's a good chance that you will be able to engage with most of this audience gradually and then convert them. I believe SEO is a very important exercise. Your website URLs need to be SEO friendly. Across each of the pages, your SEO definition needs to be clear based on the keywords that you are targeting. And lastly, I think you should make efforts to ensure that you have inbound traffic from sites with higher domain and page authority, or these are actually called as PA or DA. All of this is part of the SEO efforts and really helps in improving traffic, that you get at the website.
Yes, okay. So my next question for you is, what should you do to engage people at the website?
Yeah, engaging people is extremely important. I believe relevant content is the key. And you should really promote simple and easy navigation across different pages on the website. If a person moves away after having looked at only one page, that registers as a bounce on Google. So Google recognizes that as a bounce, and that is not very good. If he ends up visiting more than one page and stays on the web pages for a good amount of time, then this sends the right signals to Google. This also means that the content you are actually serving on the website is engaging enough. While planning content for your website, you need to think outside in. Rather than just talking about what your company offers in terms of products or services, you need to talk about how you are addressing an industry challenge with the solutions that you are actually offering.
Okay. So this is my last question for you. How can you increase conversions at the website?
I believe higher the engagement, higher are the chances of conversion. If you do the right efforts in engaging prospects and customers at the website, there is every likelihood that they will submit a form or reach out to us. That really amounts to a conversion. As things progress, your website needs to perform on all the three parameters. That is what I mentioned about earlier: attract, engage, and convert.
Yes.
Only then can you talk of your website as a truly functional or performing website.
Yes. So thank you for your insights, Atul, and we look forward to more of such topics with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mancha. A pleasure. Thanks. Bye.